Hi, I'm Peter from First Maths, and today we are looking at times 3 division test group D questions. You will have 5 seconds to answer each of these questions. It will automatically move on to the next question after this time. Question 1. 15 divided by 3 equals what? Question 2. 0 divided by 3 equals what? Question 3. 27 divided by 3 equals what? Question 4. 36 divided by 3 equals what? Question 5. 6 divided by 3 equals what? Question 6. 18 divided by 3 equals what? Question 7. 12 divided by 3 equals what? Question 8. 24 divided by 3 equals what? Question 9. 30 divided by 3 equals what? Question 10. 3 divided by 3 equals what? Question 11. 33 divided by 3 equals what? Question 12. 9 divided by 3 equals what? Question 13. 21 divided by 3 equals what? The answers. You have 10 seconds to swap over your papers. Here are the answers. Question 1 was 5. Question 2 was 0. Question 3 was 9. Question 4 was 12. Question 5 was 2. Question 6 was 6. Question 7 was 4. Question 8 was 8. Question 9 was 10. Question 10 was 1. Question 11 was 11. Question 12 was 3. Question 13 was 7. Well done, you have completed the test. If you liked this video, please like the video. If you want to subscribe to know when I'm telling the next set of tests, you can subscribe and I will notify you every time I upload future maths tests. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.